My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Hons. So today's topic for this video is analysis of Res Ipsa Loquitor. So the purpose of this video is to analyze the maxim Res Ipsa Loquitor. So here there is a need to look into the concept of this, which has been dealt under this maxim Res Ipsa Loquitor. So this maxim literally means that the accident talks, or the thing that speaks for itself. So there are many cases in which the accident speaks for itself, so that it is sufficient for the plaintiff to prove the accident and nothing more for this maxim, this Res Ipsa Loquitor, to apply. So when the accident speaks or when the accident explains only one thing, that is the accident could not occur unless the defendant had been negligent, the law raises a presumption that there is negligence on the part of the defendant. So in such a case, it is sufficient for the plaintiff to prove only that the accident had occurred and nothing more for this maxim to apply. So it is also necessary that the event causing this accident must have been in the control of the defendant. And now there is a need to analyze in detail regarding this, regarding the important or certain important elements to attract this maxim Res Ipsa Loquitor and two important and relevant case laws. So, before a plaintiff claiming the tort of Res Ipsa Loquitor, he must ensure that the certain essential requirements are fulfilled. That is, the event causing injury to the plaintiff need not occur unless someone acted negligently. The evidence adduced these rules out all the possibilities of fault of the plaintiff or the third party. The defendant had made a breach of duty that he or she had towards the plaintiff. So these are certain important or essential requirements that are to be fulfilled or that has to be meted for this maxim to apply. So the important case law that has to be looked into here is Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Subhakwanti case. So here in this case, that is in Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Subhakwanti, here the clock tower which is situated in Chandni Chowk of Delhi collapsed, and thereby a number of persons were dead. So the clock tower belonged to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi and was exclusively under the control of the this Municipal Corporation of Delhi. And normally its normal life would be 40 to 45 years, but this structure is about 80 years since construction. So in the circumstances, the Supreme Court clearly held that the fall of this clock tower situated in Chandni Chowk tells its own story, in which it makes clear that the negligence on the part of the defendant. So since the defendants could not prove the absence of negligence on their part, and therefore they were held liable. So this case, that is Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Subhakwanti, is an important and a very much relevant case law that has to be looked into. So another case law which has been very much important and relevant when we discuss about this maxim is State of Punjab versus Modern Cultivators Ladwa. So here in this case, State of Punjab versus Modern Cultivators Ladwa, here the plaintiff suffered loss due to the flooding of its land in a canal which belongs to the state of Punjab. Here the trial court awarded damages and decreed the suit. So this case then came to the High Court, which reduced the damages. So then the parties approached the Supreme Court in this case. The Supreme Court in this case clearly held that the defendant was negligent by applying the rule of Res Ipsa Loquitor. So this is also an important case. So therefore we have analyzed in detail regarding the rule which has been laid down in the maxim Res Ipsa Loquitor. And so that's all about this topic, Res Ipsa Loquitor. So we have discussed about Res Ipsa Loquitor. We had gone through the two case laws which is very much relevant or have to be discussed under this maxim. So you can like, you can subscribe and you can comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Lexcliq. Please give me a feedback regarding this video, and if you have any questions relating to this video, you may please comment that question in the comment box, and I will be replying as soon as possible. And this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. So by saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.